Let's read this word problem together and solve it. So in a science class, it'll stop being blurry in just a second. There we go. In a science class, students water a plant with the same amount of water each day for 28 consecutive days. Consecutive just means in a row. If students use a total of 23 and 8/10 liters of water over the 28 days, how many liters of water did they use each day? Or how many liters did they use in one day? We're going to actually cross out this second question. We're not going to worry about milliliters right now. So we have a total amount of water that's going to be used to water a plant. And that plant is going to be watered over 28 days. So if I have a tape diagram and I have a total amount of water that I'm going to use to water that plant, 23 and 8/10 liters. How do you think I would divide my tape diagram? Yeah, into 28 equal parts or equal sections. So we're going to split that into 28 parts. Okay. Let's set up our division problem to solve. 23 and 8/10. Remember, the water is what is being split over 28 days, and that should tell us how much water the plant gets each day. 28 won't go into 2. 28 won't go into 23. 28 will go into 238. How many times? Let's see here. So 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, I'm getting closer, 240. Let's stop right there. And we know that 28 is less than our rounded number 30. So we're going to estimate that 28 goes into 238/10 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this math. 28 times 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 224. Let's subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. Guys, we don't want any of that water left. We want to keep on dividing because we have that decimal there. We don't want a remainder. So we're going to add a 0. And that dividend, it does not change the value, but it allows us to bring that 0 down and to continue dividing. Let's use what we already know to continue. So I know that 30 times 5 is 150. Yep, I think that's going to be the ticket. 5 times 8 is 40. Put down the 0, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is 10, and 4 more is 14. Let's subtract. And remember that our decimal comes straight up. So this represents the amount of water, or the liters of water, that are going to be used to water that plant each day. 85 hundredths of a liter.